Peace, everybody. It's the Grand Gamer Crypto back at you once again with another video. This time we're going to be talking about today's news. Today is December 4th, 2024. We're going to be taking a look at the top crypto news for the week of November 24th through the 30th. All right, the last week of November. First and foremost, nothing said here is financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So, we have, starting off today, Dogecoin flips Porsche. Trader turns $160 into 5.6 million and more. Hodlers Digest, November 24th to 30th. Dogecoin has surpassed the market capitalization of luxury automaker Porsche. A Solana-based meme coin trader turned a $160 investment into meme millions and other news. Top stories of the week. So let's jump right into the Dogecoin story here. So we have Dogecoin flipping the Porsche market cap as Doge ETP. Musk drive rally. So Dogecoin has surpassed the market capitalization of luxury automaker Porsche, driven by endorsements from Elon Musk and the potential launch of an exchange traded product for the meme coin. Now, Dogecoin since has risen 175% during the past month to a 57.8 billion market capitalization, surpassing Porsche's 56.1 billion market cap as of 8:34 a.m. UTC on November 27th. This is from Cointelegraph. Now, Dogecoin has had significant momentum in 2024, and they say that this was partly driven by continued social endorsements from the billionaire himself, Elon Musk. Now, it's noted that Elon Musk's involvement in creating the nascent Department of Government Efficiency, aka Doge, an agency aimed at cutting government spending and streamlining regulations, has further stoked interest. Now we have coming up next for her next article here, we have Zach XBT alleges former pro Fortnite player helped steal 3.5 million via meme coin scams. Now, pseudonymous blockchain sleuth Zach XBT alleged a former professional Fortnite player and blockchain security analyst from Australia was involved in meme coin scams that resulted in about $3.5 million being stolen. Now, in November 27th, a thread published on X by Zach XBT said wallet addresses tied to former pro Fortnite player Serpent had high exposure to several pump.fun meme coin scams involving hacked social media accounts. Serpent, who was also expelled from the esports organization Overtime in June 2020 for alleged cheating, according to the gaming network Jinx TV, was also known on X as a security analyst and a founder of a threat mitigation system called Sentinel. On to other news. Bitcoin CME futures hit $100,000 for the second time in a week. Will BTC spot price follow? Now, on November 29th, Bitcoin futures on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, or otherwise known as the CME, rose to $100,200. Now, for the second time in 7 days, after initially hitting the milestone on November 22nd, just a week before. Now, Bitcoin's spot price has yet to reach 100K, but the cryptocurrency shows promise as it briefly hit an intraday high at $98,600 before selling off. Now, according to the Kobasi letter, Bitcoin futures open interest on CME surpassed 40,000 contracts, and prior to the November 28th Thanksgiving holiday in the US, CME Bitcoin futures volumes were at 12.3 billion. Trading volume surged in the European and New York sessions after United States stock markets were closed on November 28th in observance of the Thanksgiving holiday. A strong spot bid can be observed on Coinbase, where the spread or Coinbase premium between BTC USD price and Bitcoin spot price on Binance has exceeded $200. Now, coming up next in our further news, Solana meme coin trader turns $160 into 5.6 million with a viral token. Now, a Solana-based meme coin trader turned $160 investment into millions after buying tokens tied to a viral internet meme. Now, before we continue, I just want to say here, guys, that it's possible. It's very possible to do this. It happens every single day. I'm reading these articles every single week, and me myself, I do quite well in the meme coin space as well. Not to say too much, but so data from Solana's blockchain explorer SoScan shows that on November 15th, a wallet made two purchases of just a chill guy Chill Guy meme coin. The trader exchange 0.50 Solana worth $107 at the time for 9.6 million Chill Guy tokens on the Solana meme coin generator platform. Pumped out fund hours later. The trader added another 0.246 SOL, about $51 for 2.8 million tokens. The Chill Guy token launched on November 15th on the Solana blockchain, riding the wave of the viral Just a Chill Guy meme that gained popularity on social media. The token's value surged, reaching a peak market capitalization of $643 million by November 27th. At the time of writing, the meme coin trades at 0.58 cents. Now, or actually just 58 cents. Blockchain data suggests that the trader sold 2.8 million tokens early for about 149 SOL, which is worth about $35,000 currently. He did miss out on a potential $1.6 million profit. However, the trader still holds about 9.62 million tokens, so he left a moon bag. That's what you call leaving a moon bag, now valued at about $5.6 million. Moving on to other news, crypto hackers steal $71 million in November, bringing the yearly total to $1.48 billion. So cryptocurrency hackers continue damaging the industry's reputation as the early value stolen through cyber attacks nears $1.5 billion. Crypto hackers stole over $71 million worth of digital assets during November, according to an Immunify report shared with Cointelegraph. This brings the total crypto value stolen to over 1.48 billion year to date in 2024, according to the report, which stated, in total, we have seen a loss of 1,489,921,677 worth of tokens to hacks and rug pulls in 2024 YTD, or year to date, across 209 specific incidents. This represents a 15% decrease compared to the same period in 2023, when losses totaled $1,757,680,745. Now they're kind of fighting back against the attackers, but it's still looking very, very, very grim for crypto. I mean, they're getting fucking cooked out here. I mean, the crypto is getting cooked by crypto hackers. By and what can you really say, because it's almost reminds me of it reminds me of the internet in the early stages, where no one was focused on security. Everyone was focused on this, oh wow, this new technology, let's build on it, let's build things, let's make websites, let's make money. But no one was focused on securing the actual things they were building, and focused on learning about how to secure these technologies, which is what we see happening today in crypto. Is no one's focused on the security of these technologies that we are innovating in, right? Moving on, winners and losers. So at the end of the week, Bitcoin BTC is at $97,414. Ether is sitting at $3,500. XRP is at $1.76. Now the total market cap is at $3.39 trillion, according to CoinMarketCap. Among the biggest 100 cryptocurrencies, the top 3 altcoin gainers of the week are the Sandbox. Now this is from last week. This is the Sandbox, which is a metaverse token. Algorand, which Algorand, if you don't know, has lots of connections with some, I want to say some governments, and is also a token that is noted on the ISO list. If you are familiar with that, I believe it's ISO 200. Just look it up. ISO 200. I always forget the exact numbering after it. But anyways. And Ethereum name service, or ENS, at 72%. So the top 3 altcoin losers of the week are Mantra, at 10%, down 10%, Popcat Soul, which is down 8%, and Floki, which is down 6.2% on the week. Now, here we have some most memorable quotations. Okay, so I've actually seen these tweets on Twitter, so it looks like Cointelegraph is kind of taking the tweets and making memorable quotations out of them. So I am not against memes, but meme coins are getting a little weird now. Let's build real applications on using the blockchain. And I agree with this, which is why the only tokens I pretty much buy are tokens that have utility, such as Banana Bucks or BNNA on the Solana blockchain, which is building an automated trading platform. More on that in another video. So next we have institutions want to hide payments, workflow, daily work, who they pay, and when. If you have Bitcoin or Ethereum balances, those things are very relevant to other people. Let's see. So the industry is always one attack away from massive damage. We're really awaiting to see that exuberant move, and then we'll look at the rotation of capital. I was discussing Bitcoin with an investor yesterday, and he replied somewhat dismissively, "It's just like buying gold." No, it's like buying gold in 1000 BC. Altcoins should focus on developing independent strategies to attract new capital rather than relying on Bitcoin's momentum. Now, moving on here, the video is getting a little bit long-winded. We're about to wrap it up here in a sec. See, we have a lot of lots of articles to cover here. Let's see. So Cardano founder predicts Bitcoin DeFi will dominate crypto within 3 years. So Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson said decentralized finance in the Bitcoin ecosystem will eclipse all other crypto DeFi within 2 to 3 years. He touted the potential for Bitcoin DeFi while making a bold price prediction and highlighting a new model for bridging Bitcoin without using centralized exchanges. I started in the Bitcoin space and I love the Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been a big part of my life, and the only reason I'm here today is because Bitcoin exists, he said in a YouTube video posted on November 27th. He voiced frustrations with using Bitcoin in the early days, saying Bitcoin went from a sleeping giant never to awaken in an innovation coma to an awakened giant that is 4 times the size of Solana and Ethereum combined. He added DeFi in the Bitcoin ecosystem will eclipse DeFi in all ecosystems in the cryptocurrency industry within 24 to 36 months, and that's just because of scale and liquidity. This is something that I tend to maybe agree with because I don't see, Bitcoin is the largest token by market capitalization, and it's the most known token. So if we add DeFi to that, it only makes sense that the people will start to utilize DeFi or enter DeFi by means of Bitcoin instead of looking at some of the newer, looking at some of the other ecosystems like Phantom, Layer 2s, Ethereum, etc., etc. So FUD of the week: over 8.6 8,600 Solana wallets linked to $21 million DEX hacker. So crypto security firm Slow Mist released a document identifying more than 8,620 Solana addresses suspected of being linked to the DEX hacker. On November 16th, meme coin trading terminal DEX fell victim to a security exploit resulting in losses impacting at least 900 users. Now, I've seen something related to this. Let me see. I'll go look at that in a second. According to Mist Track, most victims lost less than $10,000 amid a private key leak, though one individual lost more than $1 million. Oh my goodness. The total loss from the incident was initially reported at $21 million, the second largest hack in November, behind a $25.5 million hack, though Thala recovered all lost assets. As of November 29th, DEX's total loss has risen. Slow Mist founder Koss told Cointelegraph the total loss is estimated to be within $30 million. The price fluctuation of meme tokens has a significant impact on the overall loss. Now, moving on, North Korean hackers expand social engineering operation to IT firms. Report: hackers with ties to the North Korean government have reportedly expanded social engineering scams designed to steal cryptocurrencies by infiltrating hundreds of large multinational information technology firms. According to an article from TechCrunch, researchers at the CyberWarCon cybersecurity conference identified 2 North Korean hacker groups called Sapphire Sleet and Ruby Sleet. Sapphire Sleet targeted individuals through fraudulent employment schemes by posing as legitimate recruiters and luring unsuspecting victims into interviews or other offers of employment. The hackers would then infect the users' computers with malware disguised as PDFs or malicious links at some point during the interview process. Wow. Crazy stuff right there. Be careful out there, guys. Next up, we have ex-Binance employee sues UK exchange alleging bribery. This is a report. A former senior employee at Binance has reportedly filed a lawsuit against the cryptocurrencies exchange's United Kingdom arm, making allegations including bribery and unfair dismissal, according to a November 28 Bloomberg report. Former Binance employee Admrita Srivastava, former Binance employee sued the crypto exchange in the U. We're gonna refrain from saying names on here because I just don't want to. I want to give people their let's not make it personal, right? We're just reporting on the news. So, sued the crypto exchange in the UK, claiming that another worker solicited bribes from a customer. She alleged that she was unfairly dismissed from her position a month after bringing the matter to management's attention in April 2023. They also alleged that the unnamed Binance employee accepted the bribe under the guise of providing consultative services. An exchange spokesperson reportedly said that the alleged bribe was already known and that the Binance employee's employment was terminated for poor performance at the firm. So, all right. This is cool. Dragon Ball producer plans blockchain game. Iran backed Singapore Gulf Bank eyes stablecoin deal. So this is pretty cool. That's it for this one, guys. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. If you like the content, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and like the video for more crypto news, for the latest and greatest in the crypto world. All the schemes, all of everything that you need to know. Join my group. It's right here on your left. It's called the Grand Scheme of Crypto. If you want to get in it, if you want to know what's going on, if you want to stay up to date, if you want to know, get all the alpha before it comes out and becomes alpha, make sure you join the group. The membership is going to be locked soon. So jump in there. It's free right now. Anyways, that's it for this one, guys. As always, keep aping.